Ever wonder how teenagers get stoked about science? For careers in science interns like Jasmine Petway, it's doing fieldwork at the Academy's Trinity Alps Nature Preserve.
At Trinity, we do different field studies to explore the natural world. We learn different techniques for specific fields of sciences.
Almost dead though. Stacey, are you in this group?
That can mean bird watching, identifying plants, and collecting insects. The most important thing they learn is how to keep a field journal of their study.
For things like entomology, we may learn how to use the different techniques for collections. For botany, we learn how to use dichotomous keys. The most important skill we learn is how to keep a field journal. I enjoy being able to go out into the field and being able to conduct the field studies myself because I feel like we're getting the actual experience to do that.
Interns apply these skills to other research projects, like long-term monitoring of sand crab populations at Ocean Beach.
When we're going out sand crabbing, what we do is we take some tools we have called chimneys, which are kind of these large cylindrical PVC pipes. We plunge them deep into the ground and we kind of pull them out. We look at this core of sand we've collected. We look at the different sand crabs that are in it. We measure the sand crabs, we take climate data for that day, and we count out the number of crabs we found.
Back in the lab, intern Nicolette Ng helps with molecular research by extracting and amplifying DNA.
My main goal in assigning projects is to teach students how we use genetic data here at the Academy to do research on biodiversity. So, for example, we recently did a project with an intern where she was given various mystery DNA samples from across a wide range of organisms, and she collected the genetic data necessary and learned the methods to identify the species of those samples.
Results of this work add one more piece of the puzzle to understanding how organisms are related to one another.
As an intern in the Center for Comparative Genomics, what I find the most rewarding is being able to see DNA, or basically genetic material, genetic instructions that link things that we have in the Academy, such as entomology, botany, ichthyology, mammalogy. Everything is sort of under an umbrella under DNA.
Interns like Ren Darawali also help biologists take care of fish tanks and monitor the health of live animals, including the African penguins.
I also do food prep for the African penguins, and that also includes adding vitamins to the fish so we can monitor their health.
Taking care of the penguins also means cleaning their tank. Not always glamorous.
And it's a dirty job, but it's cool because that's pretty much what biologists get to do here.
Curators like botanist Frank Almeida also teach interns how to use the tools scientists use every day.
There's several things I really enjoy about working with interns. First and foremost, it allows me to teach. It brings out the teacher in me. But at the same time, it allows me to monitor how young people learn and how they actually progress. And this also contributes to their professional development.
With each new experience, careers in science interns not only realize what it means to be a scientist, but begin to see the scientists in themselves. And that is fun.
It gave me the opportunity to go through the same motions as a biologist here at the Academy. And working as a biologist now lets me see penguins from a whole new perspective. My favorite part of doing this job is that it keeps me on my feet all the time and it's never boring.